Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to download the Google Drive app to your phone and then how to use that Google Drive app to submit pictures to the Dropboxes on my science website. So the first thing you're going to need to do is go to your App Store on your phone, search for the Google Drive app. The icon will look the same as the icon that you see on your Chromebook when you launch Google Drive. Now I already have it downloaded, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up. You'll notice that the Google Drive app will appear in your phone with the same icon that you saw in the App Store. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to do is take the picture that you've taken on your phone and put it onto your Google Drive. In order to do that, you're going to push this plus button down here at the bottom of your screen. When you push the plus button, it's going to ask you how you want to pull that, whatever it is, into your drive. You can pull it from a folder on your phone, you can upload it, or you can use your camera. Now I've already taken my photo, so I'm going to push the upload button. Another option for you would be to use the camera button and then to just take the picture at that point and put it on your drive. I'm going to pull this from my photos and videos, and now I'm going to pick a photo that I want to upload to my drive. And that's it. It's that simple. Now if I go into my Google Drive, I'll notice at the bottom that that photo has been uploaded. So now I have that photo in my Google Drive even though I am now on my laptop, not on my cell phone. When I go to the science website, to a Dropbox that requires a picture, like this one right here, now all that I need to do is click Add File, and then in the upper left-hand corner I have a few choices. I could download this off of my computer or I could pull it from my drive. So I'm going to click on my drive and then find the picture that I want to add, push select, and there you have it. So just one more time as a quick refresher, what you're going to want to do is download the Google Drive app to your phone. You'll click on that Google Drive app, open it up, and then click on the plus button down here at the bottom of the screen. I'm using a free trial to screencast my phone. Sorry, it's kind of covered up. Now you have a lot of choices for how to pull. You could, if you wanted to, just use the camera, and you could take the picture just like so and put it up that way. If I push Use Photo, now it's going to take that picture that I just took and put it up. Or, remember, if I push the plus button and upload, now I have the choice to pull from my whole phone video library. But once I'm done with that, the picture that I'm looking for is now on my Google Drive. I have the picture I loaded before and I have the picture I just took. It's super simple then to go to my website and to click Add File. If you go to My Drive at the bottom or the top of the insert box, you can pull anything that is in your drive. This isn't just pictures. You can upload a Google Doc, you could upload a Google Sheet, a Google slideshow, anything like that. Push select, and there that picture is. Hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have more questions on how to put a picture from your phone onto Google Drive and then onto my website.